hope all is well. Today I am standing. Yes, I am sick of sitting down. So I'm gonna open up an item, an Evil Twin. If you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items, I DIY, I compare bags, do review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's start. What did I get? Got a little bit of Chanel. Nice shopping bag. And here's the box. Let's open her up. This is gonna be an awkward way of doing it because I broke my stand. So let's open her up. Cute box. And so pretty. Sorry if the light, whoops, is crazy. Inside the box is your paperwork, your camellia flower, and your ribbon. Here it is. Nice dust bag. And I'm trying something new, folks. I know it's black. I have a couple black bags. But this one, oh my God, she's so pretty. Look at that leather. Wow. That is really soft. And I purchased the one with like a ruffle handle attached to it. Oh my God, that's so pretty. And the chain looks really, really gorgeous. Yeah, let's just open this up. It's very, very clean. Inside, it's really pretty. And there is the Chanel hardware. It's looking good. Chanel should be on the left side, as you can see. And oh, it has authenticity card, which it shouldn't be hologrammed, but it's fine. Open this up. Has the Chanel, more paperwork, a little care kit, care information, just leave in the bag. And here is the inside. It's a very small bag, and let's go ahead and take off. Wow. See that chain? It's really, really, really nice, and it has some weight to it. And it's right there. Let's move the other side. It's a really beautiful chain. The leather is really soft. And there is a tag. Let's see, and a zipper. Little zipper. It's a really tiny little bag. It's really good for like your wallet and probably cell phone. Authenticity tag inside. And that's pretty much it, folks. It's a really cute bag. Really tiny. Let's see how it looks on. Nice little pocket here. Small. I was looking for a small Chanel bag because most of my Chanel bags were huge, but this is different. Like, I don't really see anyone purchasing this one with the ruffle handle. It's really pretty. Let's try her on. And as you can see, oh my God, it's so adorable. And I crossbody the bag, it hits me right here. You can see it's really, really adorable. And it's a nice little tiny Chanel bag with a little like zing to it, right? It's different. And you can just wear her like this if you want. Have that cute ruffle moment. And it's a little low for me, but typically I like crossbodies. So I will just crossbody this bag. And that's pretty much it, folks. Maybe this will give you a better view of how this looks. I wish I wore a lighter colored top so you can see the ruffle, but it's adorable. Let me just try something so you can see the difference. Here is my Sandro flannel top. As you can see, it's really, really cute. Kind of looks like it's part of my clothes, but really it isn't. I love it. It's a small, cute bag. If you don't want to bring a lot of stuff, I recommend this bag. Adorable. Okay, everybody, I'm enjoying this lovely bag with a little ruffle moment, which is, shouldn't have worn black because you really can't see it, but it's really cute. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.